Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Teladoc Health app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Teladoc Health is a telemedicine app that lets users connect with licensed doctors, therapists, dermatologists, and other healthcare professionals via video or phone calls. It supports services like general medical care, mental health therapy, nutrition consultations, and chronic condition management, all from the comfort of your home. The app is available 24/7 and supports insurance integration, making it easier for users to access care without upfront costs in many cases. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The interface is clean and simple, with quick appointment booking and clear navigation. Users appreciate the short wait times, especially for general medical visits, and the ability to upload images for dermatology consults. Mental health services also receive good feedback for quality and professionalism. However, the app isn't without flaws. Some users report issues with login authentication and scheduling errors. The experience may also vary depending on your insurance coverage, and certain services may not be available in all areas. Additionally, occasional lag during video sessions has been noted, especially on weaker connections. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Teladoc Health is a convenient and accessible option for a range of healthcare needs, especially if you want medical advice without visiting a clinic. While there are minor technical hiccups, the overall service quality and wide scope of care make it a solid telehealth solution. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.